You'll have 3 sheets of 6-inch paper folded in half. Increase very well when you do this. Open it up and cupboard fold to the center, to the center crease. Turn it over and cupboard fold it to the center crease again. Open up the paper and make a little fold right in that left-hand corner. And turn it over and do the same on the other side. Make another little fold just to kind of, you're going to narrow that corner by making another little fold. Crease that well and fold it over, or turn it over actually, and make another corner fold again. And close it on both sides. And then you're going to make a diagonal fold on the right corner going up to meet the top edge. Give that a really nice crease and do the same on the other side. Once you've made those creases, you're going to take the paper, you're going to crease it well, and then open those little corners you just made and tuck them into those little kind of pockets there on both sides. And you turn the model over and fold the corner up along that right edge and give that a really sharp crease. And I needed to use a bone folder here because this paper is kind of thick and it needs that little help from the bone folder. Do the same on the other side. Make sure the creases are nice and sharp. Make sure that all the points and everything are matching. Open it up and just give it a little crease there to look like the way this looks now. And go ahead and get started. After you've done that, you'll fold the other sheets exactly the same way. Now that you're all done folding the units, in this case I only did 3, but you can fold many more and make really interesting designs. Take the 3 and make sure they're kind of lined up in the same direction. And you'll turn it over and you'll notice that there are some pockets and points. Each one fits perfectly, symmetrically and perfectly into the pocket. That way you know that you're on the right track. And go ahead and do it on both sides. Insert those points into the pockets and you'll see everything is lining up. And when you turn it over, all you need to do is make sure that those points go into the pockets that are on the opposite side. So it feels kind of natural in your hand as long as you don't mush the paper in your hand. You'll see that the points will automatically be guided to that pocket that they need to go into. And if everything is in the right direction, it should just come together quite easily. And they make such wonderful 3-dimensional ornaments, great for a holiday tree or earrings. They're just quite fun, or a little surprise box you can put surprises into. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed.